Taking a look at a really cool digital watch. This is the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra, and this is my second smartwatch. This one is about 3 times more powerful than that first one I had. So you've got 4 buttons around the outside. They're pretty simple. Select, back, up, and down, depending on what you're doing. Whenever the thing is on battery saving mode, so it's going to keep turning the light off. This is a fake screen. This is just a image. So you can actually make the watch look however you might want. You can just go into the apps and tell it which watch face you want to use. There you go, watch face, and scroll through all different kinds of looks. And now the watch looks like this. Lots of information on the screen. This can be lots of different apps. It can do weather, workouts, obviously a clock, an alarm clock, a calculator. It's also a GPS. Can help you with lots of different things. You can download apps into here and do all kinds of interactions with your phone and your other devices. I really do enjoy it. It has a great band. It has a magnetic thing that sticks on the back that plugs into USB in order to charge it. And as far as wearability, it's real comfortable. It uses the standard watch bands, so if you don't like the rubber bands that come with it, you could get any watch band for it. That one is the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra. Hope this helps.